Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Asana to Google Workspace. So first things first, you have to go to your Asana and then here you have to tap on this customize. You have to look for customize right here and then you have to scroll down and then look for application. Now, if you can see the Google Workspace right here, just click on the add button. Tap this one. It will take you directly to another page. And then you can basically scroll down or go to the search icon and then search for Google Workspace or Workspace. Then you will see this Google Workspace add-on. This is what we are looking for. So basically, you have to click this one right here. Read the following information, and once you're done, then you have to click this Learn More. You have to tap on Learn More right here. So once you tap this one, it will take you to Google Workspace Marketplace, where you need to install Asana. So you have to read the following again, and then once done, then click Install and follow the prompts to add Asana to your Google account. You need to grant the necessary permissions to allow Asana access to your Gmail, Calendar, or Drive. So you can open your Gmail or the Google Workspace app where you install the add-on. You should see the Asana icon on the right-hand sidebar. There, you can sign into your Asana, click the Asana icon in the sidebar, and then log in using your Asana credentials. Google Login works if your Asana account is linked. Authorize the connection between Google Workspace and Asana. And basically, that's how easy it is to connect Asana to Google Workspace. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.